Hi, I'm Nivet Verma and I'm Microsoft Certified Trainer. In this video tutorial, I want to tell you how to obtain Azure DevOps subscription, which you can use for doing labs and practicing the various services and working with the various services of Microsoft Azure DevOps. Before you actually start the process of obtaining this subscription, you should have a Microsoft account or a work or a school account that your organization has provided you. Microsoft accounts are accounts that are created using the public email service providers like Outlook.com or Gmail.com or Yahoo.com. If you don't have a account which is with either Outlook.com or Gmail or Yahoo, it's important that you create that account first. Like for example, I will go and create a new Outlook account by visiting Outlook.com. And when I go here, I will use the option called as create a free account. And it will expect me to sign up for a new Outlook account over here. Maybe I can say here something like this and say next. Now it expects me to create a password. One important thing that I must inform you is that please do remember the password that you type in over here. Because if your Outlook account gets logged, you may not be able to access the Azure DevOps portal or anything for that matter. This becomes your identity. I can provide my first name and last name over here. That's fair enough. And then I must provide the country or region and date of birth. Maybe I can use any dates if I want to. Maybe I can put some date here and I say next. And then in order to validate that I am not a robot, it will expect me to create or use a captcha, maybe an image captcha. It says that pick an ant. So I must select the ant in my diagram. It says one done, and it will go and create a Outlook account for me. I can say stay signed in from here. Now, a couple of important things that you should understand in this whole process is that browsers may sometimes tend to sign you automatically with your corporate ID or with your personal ID. In case you are good to use those IDs, you can go ahead. Otherwise, it's always advisable that you can open your browser page in a private window or a incognito window so that it doesn't interfere with any of your existing identities that you might have used in the browser to sign up. Now, once this Outlook account has been signed up, let us move to the next area. We will open a new tab in the same browsing window and I will go to dev.azure.com. Now, from this website, I can create a free subscription or I can also start free with GitHub if I already have a GitHub account. In case I already have a DevOps account, I can use this option to sign in into Azure DevOps. So I can say start free from here. And I will now type my Outlook ID that I just now created in order to sign up for the free subscription of Azure DevOps. It may prompt you to enter the password. If it does, please do enter the password, and after when you click start, you will come to this page which says get started with Azure DevOps. Now here you must select the country and region where your DevOps project will be hosted. All right, I'm going to use my country here and then I can click continue. This will be the name of my organization. Every single Azure DevOps subscription is represented initially with at least one organization. However, it does facilitate that you can create multiple organizations with the same account. Now I can go and select and enter some captcha over here, which ensures that I am not a bot, and I can click on continue. So it will now take me to the Azure DevOps organization. Notice that my email ID is still my outlook.com email ID that I just now created. And now I'm on a page from where I can get started with the Azure DevOps. So it's a very simple process. Have an outlook.com account, visit dev.azure.com, sign up for the free subscription of Azure DevOps, and then you are on your way to experiment and learn about Azure DevOps. In subsequent videos, I'm going to take you through the various aspects of Azure DevOps, how to use the different Azure DevOps services, what do they mean, and so on and so forth. For the time being, thank you for joining me on this video.